Welcome to Accent Master. Today we're going to learn how to pronounce a very famous word in Japanese that even people who don't speak the language still know what it means, particularly if you're into anime, and it's the word to say cute. This is pronounced KAWAII, KAWAII, KAWAII. So a few points of note here. First and foremost, double E sound at the end, and you need to pronounce both. Also, don't stress any of the syllables or mora. We don't need to say kawaii or anything like that. It's kawaii. So each mora or each syllable has the same length. However, since we have two E sound, then that one is prolonged. Now for the advanced learners, what about the pitch? Well, the pitch is actually the same as almost the entirety of the adjectives in E, the finish in E in Japanese. Starts low, goes high, and then it returns low on the second E. So, kawaii, kawaii. It's kind of think of it as a bridge. Goes up, stays high, goes down. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.